Hi, this is Seth with Circuit Board Medics. We're here in the parking lot of our facility. Behind me is a 2019 F250, and it was suffering from a keypad issue for the door locks where the numbers are all discolored, they're rubbed off. This is a very common issue with those trucks, and today we're going to walk you through how to resolve this problem by replacing it with a brand new one. In order to remove the keypad, there's going to be a couple of different tools that you're going to need to be able to do the job. Panel removal tool, a pick tool, a 7mm socket. You can use a small impact, you can use a ratchet. You'll also need a T20 Torque Bit. So in order to access the keypad, we do have to take out the door panel. There's going to be a 7mm behind this panel. There's a small panel you have to remove here, and then you will need to remove the cover for the grab handle, and there's going to be a couple of bolts behind there, and then there are two at the bottom of the panel. And just remove the bolts. Now that the bolts are out, you can take another one of your pry tools, slide it up under here, and begin to release the clips. There's this plastic kind of weather protectant. It has a little tab on it. You can just pull back on the tab and it should release easily. Just remember to fold it back up when you go to reinstall. Once the plastic sheeting is removed, I've already undone the clip, but that is going to be the connector that you're going to want to disconnect. That connector is the end of the pigtail for the keypad. Now it is plastic, so in theory it shouldn't scratch this piano black, but just in case, I'm going to put a little painter's tape around it just for a little added layer of protection. All right, so once you get it popped out, we're going to want to remove the panel that it was inside of. And to do that, you'll need to pull back the weather stripping, and there's going to be 4 7mm bolts that are in behind the panel. One thing that will help is there is a small Torque bit on the back side of this belt molding here. It'll help move this out of the way in order to be able to pull this panel free. Pro tip, this panel is double-sided taped on along with those 4 bolts. So just be gentle. Got it. Okay. And with little to no effort, it's out. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw or want to see more tips like this, be sure to like and subscribe to Circuit Board Medics. We'll see you next time.